I've been working with Gabriel for about 2 months to unwind a painful pattern in my back, and he's been very helpful. I feel less pain and I feel more relaxation in my back. And he's created this exercise program for me, just for my specific pattern that I've been working on every day. And I just want to recommend Gabriel because it's really changing the way I carry myself in my daily life. I have less pain, and he's been very understanding and very patient, and the exercises that he recommended for me have been very useful in making a big difference in my life.
This workshop was just so centering to me, and I feel like my entire body is just settled comfortably in myself.
That's a great feeling. You want to share with the experience.
I feel great.
Good.
I felt relief. I felt centered, like in a nice kind of, almost like settling back. Like, I don't feel pushed forward. I don't feel like it's too far back. I just feel centered.
Excellent. Great.
That was a great class. It's the right amount of time because it was super comprehensive. So it just feels like a complete experience. Like, like head to toe, side to side, back to front.
Yay. Excellent.
So, not too forward, not too back, and just really unwound. It was great.